Hi, today we will discuss for the derivation. Establish an expression for capacitance of the parallel plate capacitor. Okay, make two plate X and Y in a small distance. Consider the distance of two plate X and Y. Plate X will be charged plus Q and the induced negative charge inner side of plate Y and positive induced charge penis connect to earth. The medium of dielectric constant K between these two plates is written here K. Okay, let there is a point P. Consider a point P. There is a electric field intensity and the direction of electric field intensity Ex will be through X plate to Y plate, and the electric field intensity due to Y plate Ey direction will be plate X to Y. Both electric field intensity will sum because both are in same direction. Okay, now uh, electric field electric intensity due to plate X, suppose that is Ex, then Ex will be, just remember my uh, formula, learning formula trick. Okay, the electric field intensity due to a plane plate at a near a point through a plate, that is Q upon A, where Q is a charge and A is a area of plate. Now please consider the area of plate X and Y, both are same, and that is capital A. Q upon A, just 2 epsilon 0. Just write 2 epsilon 0 in denominator. This is a formula for electric field intensity due to plane infinity size plane plate and write dielectric medium constant also. Okay, this is upon our formula for plane plate due to a plane plate at any point. Okay, use this formula here. Ex will be Q upon 2 epsilon 0 A K, given number 1, due to plate Y. The electric field intensity Ey will be charge, both are same charge. This is negative Q, this is positive Q. Q upon 2 epsilon 0 A K. The finally resultant electric field intensity, resultant electric field intensity will be sum of these two. E is equal to Ex plus Ey. Put the value of Ex and Ey. We get E is equal to Q upon 2 epsilon 0 AK plus q upon 2 epsilon 0 a k. Look, both are same, so it will be twice q upon 2 epsilon 0 a k. To cancel, finally we get q upon epsilon 0 a k, right? Now the potential difference will be between these two plates will be the formula of potential difference. Potential difference is equal to electric field intensity multiply by distance between these two plates, that is d. Now consider the potential difference symbol. V is equal to E into D. Put the value of electric field from this equation 3. We get Q upon epsilon 0 a k into D, that will be qd upon k epsilon 0 a. That is the best to pronunciate. First k epsilon 0, that a. Now according to formula of capacity, C is equal to Q upon V. Put the value of V, we get C is equal to Q upon given number 4 QD upon K epsilon 0 A. That will be Q, this lower than denominator will go to the numerator, that is K epsilon 0 A upon Q D. Both Q are cancelled. Finally we get capacity of parallel plate capacitor. C is equal to K epsilon 0 A upon D farad. Farad is a unit of capacity. This is our desired derivation. Okay. Now factor affecting the capacity of a condenser. Factor affecting the capacity of condenser, that is, look, this formula C is just proportional to K. One condition, if we increase the dielectric constant, the capacity will be increased. If we increase the dielectric constant, the capacity will be increased. Number 2, C is proportional to A, that is, the capacity of a condenser is just proportional to area of plate A. If we increase the area of plate, the capacity will be increased. Third one, C is inversely proportional to D. That means if we increase the distance between two plates, the capacity of condenser will decrease. So, for increasing the capacity of condenser, we should decrease the distance between these two plates. If we decrease the distance between the two plates X and Y, the capacity will be increased. Okay, these are a simple factor affecting. So remember that C is proportional to K, and you can explain in your word simply. uh, C is proportional to K. That means if we increase K, if we decrease K, same behavior should be with capacity. If we decrease the dielectric medium constant, capacity decreases. If we increase, capacity increases. Similarly, if we increase area of plate, capacity will be increased. If we decrease area of plate, capacity decrease. Just third one is inversely proportional. That means if we increase the distance between two plates, capacity will decrease. If we decrease distance between two plates, the capacity will increase. Okay, yeah, that is a simple derivation, and many time MP board has asked for a expression for capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor. Okay, good luck.